Hey everyone. Pretty sure I go through and add a second layer because the first layer was too sheer. Sometimes I like it like that, but this time I wanted a nude base and it looked clear more than nude. So yeah, go ahead and add it. You can add a third layer and it looks good. I've done that also, but for this look, I just went towards the 2 layers. I'm the type of person that even if I do something over and over and over and over and over again, I'm still going to either like check the recipe or try something out first and then go ahead and finish with confidence. So I did one hand first because I added extra layers of glitter this time and I want to see how thick it would come out to be. So if you see, I focused on one hand first and then the other. So what I did was I added a thin layer of white glitter and then a little bit of like pastel pink, cured it, then I added a layer of, actually I added some base coat and then added a layer of the bigger darker pink glitter. And I don't know if I show it on here, but for these nails I don't know if I added more base coat or just added the lips and the hearts right on top of the pink for this hand too. Like I'm always trying, I'm always doing different things. It's trial and error for me, trial and error. So now I'm adding the clear builder gel from lgnpro, which is Lizette's gel nails. I love her channel. Just trying to like not be perfect, but lay it down where I don't have a million lumps. When I first started, I had so many lumps. I really should show y'all my first couple sets. But the polygel was easy, but I rushed a lot, so I always end up hating them. I don't know how I even wore them. I don't know how I still kept going. I can't believe, like, I'm not perfect though, but I still can't believe how good and how far I've come. It's insane. So yes, like I said, for that other hand, I'm not sure if I cured right after the bigger pink, but for this time I did. So I added base coat. I would touch it with the little brush right there, and then I would dip it into the glitter pot to basically paint it onto the nail, because I didn't want to have big clusters when I pour it, like I poured the other two. I didn't want to pour the thicker gel. So yes, I wiped it with some alcohol, and then I cured it for I think 10-15 seconds, and now I'm adding the builder gel to all the nails. I'm someone that finds beauty in imperfection. I'm bored easily when things are too nice, too neat, too pretty. So when my nails are not exactly the same, I enjoy that, and I like when people say it adds character. Excuse this plane. Well, that was rude. Anyway, as I was saying, I enjoy things not being exactly the same. I sometimes don't match in a way to match. Like, I'm just a weirdo sometimes. Sometimes I can be boring, sometimes I'm a weirdo, but I enjoy when my nails are extra. I enjoy when my hair is extra. My clothes sometimes, but nails all the time. After I lay all the glitter and also lay all the gel and cure it, I wipe it with alcohol. The way that I make sure it's done curing is it shouldn't leave too much of a sticky residue. Lesson learned. So I was checking it in the last clip to make sure that it wasn't too sticky. Again, I get all the sticky stuff off. I hate sticky. I hate the dust on my hands. And it also in the long run messes up the nails. Like, there'll be lumps, or there'll be it's always something. So just clean as you go. When I'm doing the drilling, I don't try to make it perfect. I am getting better at drilling, but I'm just getting all the lumps out. So if you look as you drill, you'll see like the parts that's getting flat is turning more white. And then the parts that are untouched, like, that means there's a lump. So when I see that the drill bit touched every part of the nail, I move on to the next nail. And then after I finish drilling all the nails, I use my hand file to get all the shape right. And I use a 80/80 grit file for that. And the shape, it makes it back to square, back to more pronounced. So you see it there, done. I don't have to do this. There's time, like, for me, realistically, I would be fine with it without drilling it. But I like to push and see like how nice the nails will be, how far I can go. Like, I don't rush myself as much as I used to, and so I end up with a good shape. There's no pressure to me for my own nails for me to have them perfect. I just have a process that I have to get through for me to enjoy them correctly. If not, they go in a box like a little casket. I'm actually trying to grow my collection into this box, and once I get it full enough, I'll show it. But before my mom passed, that was what my idea was for my nails, was to fill up this box and I could flip through it like some clothes in a closet, so I can match my nails to my outfit without thinking too hard about it. Like, it's so exciting to me. Now that I'm back on it, I can't wait to be done. I saw excuse my dog, she's so aggravating. I saw Vanity. Oh my God. I saw Vanity Val show her wall collection, and that was so cute. And if that was what I was going for, that would have been so exciting. Like, that is a good idea. But I already bought my box, and like, it goes in my closet, it matches. But that wall thing is really cute, and like, I might end up stealing that idea one day when I have an actual like nail suite or office or somewhere to put it. But my nail section right now is like my dining room. I'm wiping with alcohol after wiping all the dust with my new little brush from Shein. If you don't wipe the dust away after filing, there will be lumps under the polish. Learned the hard way. Trust me, just wipe the nails away. And I'm eating leftovers from the night before, and I forgot to even record how clean the plate was when I was done. I used to be one of those people that do the top coat always last, but now I add top coat first when I know I'm adding a bunch of rhinestones, because it's easier to add the top coat before instead of trying to maneuver around the rhinestones. And sometimes I grab too much top coat, so I'll just go ahead and polish the next nail instead of dipping it back into the bottle. I don't know, I just have some weird habits when I watch these videos, like how I just separated the rhinestones. Like, I don't know, I need some help. I don't know. I'll just be laying the rhinestones sporadically from here on out using my cart rhinestone glue. I just realized I don't have a happy dance, and I was happy to be done because these took me some time. I don't know why it did, but it did. Maybe because I was cooking and eating. I think I was cooking when I did these. Anyway, yes, so I don't think I have anything else to add. You just watch me finish these nails, add the rhinestones. You could have left them like that. That's the point. That was why I sort of stopped. Like, this is the design that I like, that I feel like my customers like. I just made 2 in red like this. I want to try purple next and see if someone want to buy those. But for me, para mí, I like the rhinestones. That's the extraness of it all. Always rhinestones, always extra. Y'all have a good night. Y'all have a good weekend, a good week. Whenever you're watching this, I'm sending blessings and positivity your way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.